Johnny Depp actually made a commentary at one point in time that Johnny Depp won the minute he walked into the courtroom. And I'm not talking about a lawsuit. I'm talking about in the court of public opinion, kind of level that playing field. And clearly on the social media platforms that I've been looking at, he clearly is winning that day in the court of public opinion. That said, a defamation case is an extremely difficult thing to prove, especially for a public figure. And I'm interested in your legal analysis. If that jury believes in any way, shape, or form, even in an instance of domestic abuse, and I think that's why you listen to the lawyer talking more than just physical. He talked about the words and emotional abuse and not wanting her to go forward with her career, and that's another form of abuse. I think basically saying, you tell me, when she's given this editorial or writing this opinion piece, she could be referring to those things as well.
Exactly. I think for Amber Heard's legal team, their strongest argument is to say that she was abused emotionally and psychologically, because there's no evidence other than Amber Heard's statement testifying that she was physically abused. But the jury can infer psychological and emotional abuse, and we can see that Rottenborn actually focused on that in his closing. But like you mentioned, the court of public opinion is different. So there is that legal side being tracked here, and there's the court of public opinion. And you're right, 100% agree that the moment he walked on that stand and testified, and the moment he got off, he already won, because he was able to speak his truth. And we saw in rebuttal that he repeated that, I only wanted to tell the truth. And we see in Ben Chu's closing, he ended with an emotional statement saying the truth matters. And we saw and heard him almost choking, trying to get that out. And you can feel Ben Chu's emotion for his client.
Yeah, I mean, this is an amazing case. And if you want to add any more of the craziness to the case, there's tornado warnings out there. The weather is inclement. As you know, at the Law Crime Network, we've had our very own Jesse Weber. I can kind of see him in the corner of my eye in a monitor there. And I also see my good friend Gene Rossi getting ready to tee up your questions when we come back from the break. As you know, we're taking questions from the audience. They've been amazing. And our guests will be answering those questions, including Mr. Rossi. So don't go anywhere.